This Connect the Dots drawing video is a mystery. Get your dot-to-dot printable template, get your art supplies, and let's draw and color together to find out what it is. We're going to draw this picture in sections, and the first section is this one right here, and I want you to start at number 2 and curve to number 9. Now we're going to go back up to number 1, and I want you to curve through 2 inside here to number 9, and then a bump to 10. Now just past 10, right around here, we're going to curve to number 11. Now from 1, we're going to make a curve to 21, and I'll show you why in a second. Like this. And then from number 11, we're curving up to that line we just made, similar to what we did over here. I'm going to work backwards because then I can see what I'm doing. Now from 11, you're curving to 14, and you're going to keep on going all the way to 20. And then finally 14, you're curving back to 20, and then making a line to 21. Now we're going to work on this section here. So from number 7, you're curving to 22, and then all the way to 25. And from 8, let's make a curve to 26. Now you're going to go 26 and make a small bump to 28. Now between 9 and 10, we're going to start right about there, and we're going to curve again to 28 through to 29. 29, a bump to 30. Maybe a little bit past 30. 30, 31, 32. 32 all the way to 13. I'm going to work backwards again. Now at 26, we're going to bump to 38 through 37. Now at 27, I want you to curve through 42 and keep on going to 45. And now just past 27 along the line we just made, right about there, curving through 38 and keep on going to 42. Now I'm going to go way past 45 over here, and I'm going to curve through 46. Now 46 to 48 and up. And now 48, curving to 51 and keep on going to 32. And 51 all the way to 33. As you can see, I went back over my lines because I wanted the outline to be really nice and thick. Now grab your Sharpie again. And from number 1, we're going to be curving up, straight, curving like that, and then curving down and into 21. So yeah, you can see we've made pumpkins. Gonna add a few extra details to the top of this one. Grab your thinner marker and we're going to draw some faces. So I'm going to draw a few arcs to start the eye. So right there, almost in line with number 5. Now I like drawing the highlight because then I can draw the pupil and iris around it. Now this one's a girl, so let's draw some eyelashes. Some eyebrows. And now we're going to draw some lips right here. Now that's one face, let's draw the second one here. I'm going to start with the eyebrows first. And another one's going to be just a little bit lower and curve down. Then down here I'm going to do a curve like this. And now I'm going to do curves. One here, one there. And now we're going to do a half oval or partial oval to make our 2 eyes. 2 circles. Now we're going to do the highlight and then the pupil. And now we're going to have a scared mouth, so almost in line with the edge of the eye here, we're going to be doing a curve like that. Now we're going to keep on going up, down, up, and from here up and around. There we go. Some details. Now the teeth. Now we're going to separate the teeth by going from one side to the other. And finally our last face right here. I'm going to start again with the eyebrows. Then over here around 31. Draw some cheeks. Now we're going to make the eyes right here, so we're going to do some curves. Now this is going to be a tired pumpkin, so give him some heavy eyelids. Highlight. Iris. And pupil. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now we're going to draw the mouth, which is going to be like a number 6. And of course, a chin. Before I start coloring my picture, I pick all my colors first and put them off to the side. I went shopping the other day and I saw this cute little pumpkin statue of which had 3 different colors of pumpkins. I thought that'd be fun for a drawing, so I'm going to replicate that and do a white pumpkin on top, an orange pumpkin in the middle, and a darker grayish black one on the bottom. As always, you can pick whatever colors you want for your picture. You don't have to follow along with me, but you can if you want to. So as you can see, I've done my base colors first. I'm going to work on shadows shortly, but while I'm doing that, why don't we have some fun pumpkin facts? Did you know that there's over 45 different types of pumpkins? Yeah, and some of them have fun names like Baby Bear, Spooktacular, Ghost Rider, Tricky Jack, and Sweetie Pie. I think I like that one the best. One thing I did not know is every part of a pumpkin is edible. Skin, leaves, flowers, and stem. You can also eat the pumpkin blossoms raw or battered and fried. Who knew? I think I need to expand my culinary skills. At the time of the recording of this video, the current world record for the world's heaviest pumpkin is 2,624 pounds. That's huge! You'd need a forklift to pick that up. I hope you liked drawing and coloring this mystery drawing with me. If you like more of these videos, go check out this one on your screen next. Happy Halloween, everyone!